Meet the WC67K Torsion Sink NC Press Brake, engineered for durability in tough production environments. With a competitive price, easy installation, and user-friendly operation, it's a global favorite for reliable sheet metal fabrication. High-strength torsion bar ensures precise slider control, simple structure, low maintenance, and stable performance for rough or precision parts. E21 controller with bilingual LCD screen enables fast programming. Smart X/Y axis positioning eliminates manual mechanisms, the panel tested for EMC and CE certified for global use. In-house rear stop with adjustable fingers and high-precision ball screw ensures versatile tool compatibility and precise positioning. Internationally renowned motor brands deliver energy efficiency, low noise, and IEC standard reliability. Customizable power/voltage for regional needs. Bosch Rexroth hydraulic valves ensure high-pressure durability and leak-free operation. Multifunction system supports continuous load performance. USA Sunny Gear pumps with cast iron construction and noise reduction design offer long life and resistance to oil contamination. Custom punch and die solutions tailored to your bending specifications, essential for perfect bend configurations. Aluminum front support with quick-release bolts allows fast position adjustment for enhanced workflow efficiency. Manual crowning system corrects slider deformation and angle errors, ensuring precision in every bend. Original Schneider components and Eston electrical cabinet ensure anti-interference performance and long service life. Upgrade your sheet metal fabrication with the WC67K Press Brake. Contact us today for customized solutions.